Hello everyone, it's Krista and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to make black gesso. Feel free to follow along and remember to like, subscribe and comment your thoughts. Before we get started, a while ago I watched a video from Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah and she made the most beautiful background pages using black gesso. And as I'm staying in a small town in South Africa, not all the craft supplies are always available. And even if you order online, you don't always get what you want. What is gesso? Gesso comes in all different forms like clear, black and white. And it's normally used as a primer and a base coat that you want to create on. I want to show you how to make black gesso. All you need is baby powder, 4 spoons, some glue. I'm only using white craft glue, but you can use any other wood glue or whatever you have. Some acrylic paint, also about a tablespoonful. And then I use ink. You can use printer's ink, but I'm using endorsing ink, and this one is without oil. A few drops of that. Okay, and then you mix it well. If the texture is too thick, maybe I'll just put some more paint with. Okay, you can put some water with if you feel that it's too thick. I didn't. So let's see, let's try it and see how it works. I've got some stencils. Okay, let's see. Another one. I've only made it a little. If you see it's working, you can make more, but I think to make only a little in the beginning, and then okay, let's see. Can be a mess, but it's working. It looks good. So I'm only going to try it like that. Let's try and see how it looks. Okay, it's dry. It dries really well and it's got a very nice texture. Yes. And it's got a lovely texture. So if you like this, please hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you for watching.